Okay, isa ulit, masigabong palakpakan sa ating Pristina Zumba Ladies para ganahan naman silang sumayaw.
Players, ang ating taong-taong rules. Walang waiver, hindi maglalaro. Walang kota, hindi rin maglalaro. Pakibigay na lang po dito ang mga waiver. Both side po, left and right, players lang po ang nandyan. Bawal po ang break road. Excuse me po, sa mga midget lang po ang nandito. Tumabi po muna dyan ang ating mga maglalaro. Pakiusap po. Okay po. Ito po ang decision po ito ng committee. Players, dito sa right side namin.
Let's start off the voting. Team Dark versus Team Light outside. So, let's start off the voting. First game. Number 12. No. Wala ba yan? Number 25, no. Number 19. This is the last number. Number 5. That's the jersey number. Number 12. Number 12, number 25, here's it up, 2 points. Number 20. Kailangan mo pa sa mga players, proper wearing off. Here's the uniform, 24. Number 8. Tamara passing the 1-3-15 on the shot clock. Kasra. 2 points. Two points para number 29. Tamara pagkakita po ng jersey mo. Thank you po. Number 29. 15 to shoot. Pass 2. Number 2. 10 on the shot clock. Now number 20. There's a final word para the losing number 23 si Pasca. Pasca. First person now 30 down. Out of bounds, Sandor. Number 29, out of bounds again. Sandor. Number 19, reverse layup, no. Number 8, come on. Berlin. Bayern Blazers. Florentino. Number 20, Florentino. Number 8, Tamana. Close it up. Malakas. Now Florentino. This 8, Real situation. Timeout. Holding the team. Official score. 10-3. 7 points lead. Players of team. Panthers. Bola ng Panthers. Bulaco. Number 23. Pass one. From downtown, no good. Ball on the wrist. Last 2 minutes.
Kunwari mag-dribble siya.
Single
Yung
line.
dalawa, huwag yung una yung bumaba. Tulungan niyo muna siya. Ikaw, pwesto ka lang muna.
Number 29. Ball on Panthers. Sabi na rin. Panthers guys. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Kasali ka dito.
Pass one. Number 23. 10 to shoot. No good para pass one. Number 29 back to pass one. 2-0. Jumps to go down. Official score. 12-3. 9 points each. Para sa team Panthers. Number 29. Duenas. No. Number 0. To pass one. Pass one to the last two. Number 0. Pass to Tamana. Last 45 seconds.
Kayong lima na lang. Ito. Ha? Kayong lima na lang sunod. Ha?
Number 29 pass to number 8. Number 8. Same ball. Number 5. Pass to number 8. Number 0 to 29. No good. Panabaran. 2.7. Last 15 seconds. Buenas. 10. Running time. Number 0. No. First quarter. Official score 16-3.
Okay lang yan, ha? Huwag mo ikaw lang.
Bracket B. Right? Violet. Orange.
Pagod na? Tupig kayo. Okay lang lang. Huwag yung malamig, ha?
Number 29. That's two. Where's the number? 5 number 2. Number. Number 1. Nag-pick ba tayo? Single naman.
Junior Division Team Red ay representative.
Number 0. Nagawalay sila Magod. Number 8, from downtown, Brian Bridges. Number 5, pass jersey number 29 si Duenas. Duenas, logo shot, no. Number 8, number 2. Pass number 8. No. Number 29, Duenas, pass number 8. Same one. Very good ball. Duenas. Last 2 minutes. Now we will think diversion. Brian Bridges. Official score 5-2. 17 points lead para sa Team Batters. Duenas. 15 shot. Number 5, 10 on the shot. Number 8, pass to number 0, Number 8, nagawang number 10, Brian Bridges.
Next game, senior division, blue versus yellow.
Number 2, pass to number 5. Number 5 Line variation na. Brian Batters, back to the ball. Brian Bridges, seven red. 14 on the shot of the ball. Number 29, 2 points. Pass round, last 30 seconds. No good by the pass round. There's a ground violation. Ang ating shot clock. Number 8 pass to Basra from downtown. Last 15 seconds. 10 to shoot. Number 5, Timayo. Shoot. Last 5 seconds.
Sayang naman ng
3 seconds. Official score, 27 to 7, 20 points lead para sa Panthers.
Tubig. Tubig.
Valentina. Valentina, no. Number 5. Ganda, performance jersey number 5.
Yan, kunin mo Gian. Ikaw magdala Gian. Magdala mo kay Gian.
Valentina. Number 20, 10. To shoot. Nagdadala ng sales number 5, Edward. Valentina. No, good pa rin. Pasqua. Number 23, using the glass. 2 points. Number 20, not there, not once. Using number 20. Using the glass ng Pasqua. 2 points. Official score, 21 to 45, 24 points lead para sa team. Number 0, 2 points. Florentino. Number 5, Bolena Panthers. Number 29, number 25. To Pasqua. To number 11. Number 10. 10 to shoot. Now what is going to be on? Lays it up now. Nagawa ba rin niya? Florentino. 2 points para kay Florentino. Pass well. To number 11. Round 2, no good. Number 29, 11. Same ball. 5 years old. Micro-gravity violation. Sabi ng red na siya. Official score 24, 23, 47, 24.3. Para yung mga Candles team. Bantos Florentino. Same ball inside the red. Substitution red. Ball is for you, boy. Florentino again. From downtown, no. Number 3, wala pa rin. Number 2 again. No good. Now winning goes into 8. Now winning goes into 5. Passing Florentino. 8. Back to number 5. No good. This is out of bounds. Ball and counters. Number 25. Number 12, Colacao. Using the glass now. Using number 20. My foul by them was foul red. Foul for using number 0. Number 0. First personal foul. First foul. Two out of 2. Number 0. Pass number 8. Nakakawan. Substitution na.